Auto parts radiator to suit the Toyota RAV4 Series 2, 3 and 4 door wagon from the 5th of 2000 to the 7th of 2003, automatic and manual vehicles. Okay, just quickly make a point with the RAV4. Okay, from the start of 2000, okay, there is two slightly different radiators, and the easiest and quickest way to tell the difference between the earlier models is the cap and this top hose will be reversed. That's the first thing, and secondly, as you can see, this bottom hose comes up on a 90-degree angle, whereas the other type, it's a straight out hose. So straight out hose and the cap on the inside, hose on the outside. Okay, that's for the earlier than 2000 models. That's the difference. Okay, and then you'll find from 2003 onwards, the radiator has side tanks. Okay, so it won't be a top and bottom style like this. There will be two side tanks with a crossflow radiator. Okay, so that's the easiest way to tell the difference between the different variants of the radiators. Okay, just run through a few of the features on this one. Okay, again, top tank. Okay, you've got two round mounting pins on the very top. You've also got 1, 2, 3, 4 fan fittings across the top as well. Over here on the passenger side of the vehicle, coming out on an angle, you've got your cap, and the cap has an overflow hose pointing towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Okay, more towards the middle, you've got your top hose there. Okay, if we come down to the bottom tank, again, you've got two round mounting locating pins on the very bottom. Over here on the driver's side is your bottom hose, which comes out. Turn that slightly, you can see, on a 90-degree angle. Okay, over on the passenger side, you've got the drain, and you've also got a connection there for a sensor. Okay, this is your automatic transmission oil cooler. This is suitable for both automatic and manual transmissions. Okay, so as you can see, if you have a manual transmission, these fittings very easily removed. Okay, it just remains unused, and that's completely safe and doesn't cause any problems whatsoever. Okay, if you've got the automatic transmission, as you can see, the fittings are supplied with the radiator. Okay, let's quickly turn around. This would be the front of the vehicle. So if you were standing in front of the vehicle looking into the engine bay, this is the view you would have from the top. Okay, so you can see over here on the passenger side of the vehicle, okay, you've got your cap coming out on an angle and your top hose here. Okay, you can see the two round mounting points on the very top and also the 4 fan fittings across the top as well. Okay, just quickly with the caps, I'd like to say we always recommend that when you get a new radiator, always get yourself a new radiator cap. Okay, the main purposes for these being that your existing cap may not be an exact fit for the new radiator, and the other issue being there could be rust or other sorts of contaminants which are going to prevent the cap from working properly. So for those reasons, we always recommend to get a new cap for the new radiator, and in that way we can guarantee it will be an exact fit. Okay, you can also see on here, we've got the Toby's Auto Parts stamp on the top there. Okay, and that's just to show that this has come from our factory and it is a high quality part. Okay. Just run through the measurements of the core. When you're measuring your core width, okay, you're going from inside to inside. Okay, that's 725 millimetres. Okay, again, when you're doing the height, okay, you're going from inside to inside. You can see there, that's 375 millimetres. Okay. Just quickly about the materials that we've used on these radiators. As you can see with the core, it's aluminium. Okay, it's very high grade, high quality aluminium, which means that the tubes and the fins are very strong and can dissipate the heat really quickly. The plastic we've used for the top and bottom tanks, again, is a very high grade, high quality plastic, which is very strong. Okay? We've also got copper fittings on the automatic transmission oil cooler, which unlike the aluminium type, they won't thread, burr or damage easily. Okay? It's for all these reasons that we can do a 3-year, 60,000 kilometre warranty on all of our radiators. So hopefully this video has been a help for you to find the correct radiator for your vehicle. If you have any more questions or inquiries, please check on our site or give us a phone call on 1300 178 178.